Louis Pasteur was the French scientist, and he was the one who discovered vaccine for or vaccination for rabies. What was that disease? What was rabies? Rabies was a disease.
Rabies is a disease.
The rabies is an animal disease. The rabies is an animal disease.
Yeah. So it is a disease caused by the animal.
Dog bite. Monkey bite.
Very good. Dog bite. Very good. And he
Thank
proved
you,
that germs carry diseases from one person to another. He was the one who said that the germs, whatever diseases are there, their germs are carried from one person to the another person. So it is to be stopped. This transmission of germs from one person to another person should be stopped. He discovered that by heating, it kills germs.
Milk.
When you heat anything, whatever germs are there in that, it will be killed. He found that if milk is heated for half an hour and then cooled down and then cooled subsequently or suddenly, the germs will be killed. He said when you boil the milk and let them cool it suddenly, the germs in it will be killed. And this process is now called pasteurization. Pasteurization in his honor. Louis Pasteur become pasteurization. Now we are having milk and butter which are pasteurized to kill the germs. First they are heated up and then suddenly cooled down, and as a result the germs are killed. And that process is known as pasteurization on his name. And now today we get milk and butter with written over there pasteurized. That means they have been heated up and then cooled down suddenly, so they will not be having any germs.
Pasteurized.
Then chloroform. James Simpson introduced the use of chloroform in medicine. Now what is chloroform? It is used to make person unconscious. If you want to make any person unconscious, get him to smell chloroform and he will get unconscious for a period of time. But if you let him smell a large quantity of chloroform, he may die also. So before an operation, a pupil is made unconscious so that he does not feel pain. So whenever operation is done, before that, the patient has been given the chloroform injection or dose so that he does not feel the pain, because he will sleep or he will go in deep sleep. So he will not be feeling the pain. Sometime when that you see when you go for a toothache is there, the doctor puts the injection on that place where the teeth is paining, and that is chloroform, which makes it unconscious, that part. So if whatever you done that, nothing will feel. You will feel nothing for a period of time, no pain, nothing. What is going on? But when the effect of that chloroform goes, then you start feeling the pain.
Sir, I have got in my front two teeth.
So when they have done the operation, before that they give the chloroform so that people become unconscious. As a result, operation can be done easily and he should not feel any pain. And after the effect of the chloroform goes, you start feeling the pain and they give the painkiller. So until the operation is done, they give them chloroform. Then Joseph Lister, with the discovery of chloroform, surgical pain was reduced. But we saw that how the patient dies due to infection of wound by germs. So they say operation was successful, but people used to die after operation because of the infection due to the germs which get got in the wound, which is cut and the operation is done. So Joseph Lister found a carbolic acid which can be used in theaters to kill germs. So this carbolic acid is also done when they do the surgery. They put this carbolic acid so that germs cannot get there. So people, the person who is operated should be infection free. So the carbolic acid can be used as an important operation to kill germs because carbolic acid does not injure the body. Nothing happens, no effect of carbolic acid on the body. Only it kills the germs. Then he also started the practice of sterilization of the instruments, surgical instruments, to put surgical instrument to water and boil it, so that whatever germs are there on the instrument with which they are doing the operation, they are killed. So he is the one who started that before operation. The instruments which are used in the operation should be sterilized or should be put into hot water, boiling water, boiled so that all the germs in it, if present there, can be killed. So he was the one who started the sterilization of the surgical instruments. Now you will see that they are put in the hot box, all the instruments. And wherever they do want to do the operation, whatever instrument they need, they take it out and the operation put it at other place. After the operation complete, they again took it, boil it in the water, clean it and put it in the, again in the hot pot. Steam, so that it remains germ free. If they keep outside, it will be maybe germ can get on it. So they keep it in the box which have steam. So it is always hot. So germs are not able to get birth in the instruments. During the sterilization, instruments are cleaned in boiling water to make them free from germs. They are boiled from the germs because the pastor said that when you boil something, the germs are killed. So that's why these instruments are also boiled in water. Now basic healthcare. What are the things which we should keep in mind so that we remain healthy? First is keep yourself and your surroundings clean. Whatever your surroundings are, be kept clean.
Nice. Sir, it is from Ayman.
So keep yourself and your surrounding clean. Second thing is eat a balanced diet. Whatever you are eating, in that everything should be there. All the things, vitamins and carbohydrates and fat and everything should be vitamins. Everything should be there. Do regular exercise. Every day do the regular exercise so that you will keep your body fit. And drink clean water. If you drink the clean water, you will be healthy with no germs and nothing.
I drink.
Maybe boiled water.
Sir, I drink boiled water.
Very good. That boiled water, because after boiling, the germs are killed, so you will be germ free. So that's why they say that drink only water. And if you want to get,
because the heat kills the germs.
yeah, very good. Because Louis Pasteur said that heating kills the germs. So eat boiled water, then it will be very good because all the will be. So this was the chapter for you. Who will tell what is antibiotic?
Antibiotic? Sir, antibiotic is a medicine.
Very good. What is antibiotic? Not medicine. What is antibiotic?
Sir, it is a tonic which fights against germs.
It's an medicine that
It is a medicine that cures humans and infections.
A substance that kills the germs and cures the infection.
Yes.
It is that antibiotic which keeps the germs in your body and helps the infection to cure quickly. Because the antibody, it stops germs from getting enter into your body. What is antiseptic?
Antiseptic is the cream.
What is antiseptic?
Sir,
When we got burned, we have to put.
cure wounds.
Sir, antiseptic is a medicine which
Antiseptic is a medicine that kills germs. Kills what do you say? Cures what do you say? Hurt.
Very good.
Infection.
Means to
Fahad
kill the germs.
is little bit closer. A substance that helps to prevent infection in wounds by killing germs. So Fahad was very close. A substance that helps to
Yes,
prevent
sir.
infection in wounds by killing germs. What is pasteurization? Pasteurization. What is this? What is
Pasteurization means heating milk for a lot of time and then cooling it suddenly.
very good? So that it kills germs.
Germs will get killed.
Very good. The process used to kill germs in milk bypass heating it and then cooling it. Now some questions.
Sir, this will come in exam.
Huh?
This lesson will come in the exam.
No, it's not
No.
there. Annual plan.
Not there in the annual plan.
Yes.
Not coming in the exam, but we will read
Okay, sir.
whatever chapters are not there in the syllabus. We will read that, but not it will not we will not do question answer or we will not do any.
I'm on the chat. Or we have to write.
No.
Sir, Ayman.
Manage drawing.
Ayman and Fahad. So the question first is the normal human body or not the normal temperature of the human body.
37 degrees. 37 degrees Celsius of
37 degrees Celsius.
98.4 degree Fahrenheit.
Very good.
37 degrees Celsius.
Very good. 37 degrees Celsius.
The normal temperature of the human body is 37 degree.
37 degree or 98 point.
98.4 degree Fahrenheit.
4 degree. Very good. Or 98.4 degree Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
Two types of thermometers are Fahrenheit and Celsius. So normal temperature of your body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.4 degree
Sir,
Fahrenheit.
110.
The Celsius thermometer was invented by Dr. Celsius. Dr. Celsius. And Fahrenheit by, as you all know, which instrument is used to check the heart and liver and the lungs? Very good. Very good. Very good. Well done.
Stethoscope.
Well done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well done. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Third question. Vaccination was
Vaccination.
Yes, sir, I know. Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner. Jenner.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Edward Jenner.
Edward Jenner.
Jenner.
The process to perform operation without cutting.
Laser, light amplification.
Light amplification by
Stimulated emission of radiation.
stimulated emission of laser.
Answer. Very good.
Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation.
Very good. But the simple answer is laser. LASER, laser. All boys are very good, very intelligent boys.
Yes, sir.
So now we come to the fill in the blanks. Very good boys.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Really very good.
Fill in the blanks. Number 1.
So number 1 is microscope.
Microscope.
Microscope. I said first.
Microscope.
Good.
Sir,
Very good. Very good. Very good. Microscope.
Microscope.
Very good. Microscope is the answer.
Spectacles.
Second answer. Anyone?
Sir, I know. Second answer is penicillin. Penicillin.
Very
Antibiotic.
good.
Penicillin.
Very good.
Antibiotics.
Very good.
Antibiotic was discovered by lemon.
Penicillin or the antibiotic?
Antibiotic.
Antibiotic you can write.
First antibiotic was penicillin.
Antibiotic.
Penicillin was penicillin or antibiotic you can write. But better is penicillin. Better is penicillin was first. Third.
Sir, antibiotics.
Antibiotic.
Dash.
X-rays.
Very good.
X-ray.
Very good. X-rays. Very good.
X-rays.
Very good. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
X-rays. Fourth. That dash is
Laser. Laser. Laser.
Laser. Laser.
Laser.
very good.
Laser.
Very good.
Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation.
Very good.
Wow.
Wow, wow. Radhi Singh, wow, wow. Very good. Fifth question.
Sir, pasteurization.
Very good.
Pasteurization.
Very good.
Pasteurization.
Very good.
Boiling. Boiling.
No,
Pasteurization and boiling.
Oh yeah, boiling and pasteurization is what same. What?
Yes.
Oh yeah, sorry. Pasteurization is for milk. You. Yeah, when you boil.
Yes,
and
for
let
boiling
it
even.
cool. Let it cool. I know. I forgot.
You done anything?
Oh.
Same to you.
The technique of killing germs by heating is called pasteurization.
Pasteurization.
Very good, boys. Very well done. Very, very good, boys. Now, this also done. Very good, all of you. So the next question is true and false. See how you give the answer.
I know.
First question is
Sir, what is this?
Mercury.
Mercury.
True.
Yes.
But my thermometer is electric thermometer. My thermometer is electric thermometer.
True.
My thermometer is also.
Ow.
True. True. Very good. Those who said true. Good.
Sir, I told first.
Very good, Abdul Samad. And I also listen the voice
Second
of
one is false.
False.
Yes, sir.
modern surgery is
I told second.
I told
second. I and Sat
Quite
Sir,
answer.
the
I
third one
told
is true.
third. I told
Sir,
second.
the third one is true. Third one is true.
second.
Sir, the
Sir,
third one
listen
is
my.
The third one
The third is
false.
false.
the third is
False by
false.
evil spirit.
False.
False.
Third one is false.
Fourth is
Eating
true.
children.
Fourth
Sir,
is
the fourth is
true.
true.
Fourth is
Fourth is
true.
true.
Hey, don't shout.
Yes.
The jumps. It's true.
True.
Sir,
Oh.
it's true.
Because the germs can't bear that heat.
Yes.
Fifth.
They can only bear normal temperature and cold. Like us.
ECG does not.
They cannot take so much cold and they cannot take so much hot. Sir, it is true. Sir, it is true.
ECG is true.
ECG is electrocardiograph.
Oh.
True. Sir, true. True.
Hey, why are you shouting?
True.
Hey.
True.
Six.
Don't shout.
You're learning this. You're doing this stuff. You're doing like this. True.
True.
It is true, sir.
Very good, Saad. It is true.
Sir, there is everything true now.
So well done, all of you.
True on the match.
Yes. Good.
True
I
on the
like-
match. False.
True
Well
on
done.
the match.
Well done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how the sticks?
Good. So that was the 12th chapter for you.
11.
Now we will move to the chapter number.
13.
So we will close this now. It is done now.
Great people never die.
Very good. All the boys are very good. Very
Socrates.
intelligent.